Hey everyone, my name's Adam, and welcome to this month's Watermark Words of Wisdom. We're looking at a few good ways to help make your home greener without spending too much green at the store. We here at Watermark Residential want to give you a few quick tips on how to get ready for the season. Now let's get started. Our first tip will not only help you reduce your energy consumption, but your energy bill as well. Switching out your bulbs to compact fluorescents or LEDs will make an immediate impact. These bulbs use just a quarter of the electricity but last 10 times longer. In addition, if you switch out to smart bulbs and use an in-home assistant like a Google Home or an Amazon Echo, you can set up a schedule, meaning you never have to worry about forgetting to turn off your lights. Our next tip is to get a green thumb. Plants that are grown indoors act as a natural filter for the air in your home. Studies have proven that indoor plants increase productivity and concentration by 15%, reduce stress, and improve your mood, making them perfect not only for the home, but for the office as well. Now, some plants require a little more maintenance than others, but Boston ferns, rubber plants, and spider plants make a great place to start. When it comes to energy efficiency, use extra care when running your dishwasher. Each wash cycle could use 25 gallons of water or more. Make every single drop count by making sure your dishwasher is full before running a cycle. And don't forget, if you only have a few dishes here and there, you can always do them by hand. One of the fastest ways to be less green is by having your thermostat set too high or too low. Luckily, it's never been easier to set your thermostat while you're away, thanks to programmable thermostats and smart home technology. Simply set your programmable thermostat or install an Ecobee, a Nest, or any other do-it-yourself smart thermostat to set your temperatures while you're away. If you're having trouble with installation, don't worry, just give us a call and one of our amazing maintenance technicians will be glad to give you a hand. Speaking of temperatures, shades are a great way to add another layer between the temperatures outside and the rest of your home. Buying insulated curtains or shades will create a barrier, helping you save on energy costs. And that's it. Thank you for tuning into this month's Watermark Words of Wisdom. My name is Adam, and we hope to see you in one of our communities soon.